Castor oil, health benefits, uses and side effects. Hello friend. In this video, we highlight the benefits, uses, and side effects of castor oil. To purchase genuine castor oil, click the links provided in the description section below. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video to help us create more content like this. Welcome. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds, or beans, of the castor plant, which is scientifically known as Ricinus communis. The plant is a member of the Euphorbiaceae family that abundantly grows in the tropical regions of the world. It is mainly grown in Africa, India, and South America. China and the United States are the major importers of the oil. The oil is obtained by cold pressing the castor beans or seed and then applying heat. Castor oil is comprised of an important compound called ricinoleic acid. This compound has been shown to exert different effects on the gastrointestinal tract. For instance, it can inhibit absorption of water and electrolytes in the gut. It can stimulate secretion of water into the intestinal lumen. It can stimulate depression of small bowel contractile activity. The oil is an important medicinal oil given its role as a cleansing, laxative and purgative substance. It is also used in the manufacture of biodiesel, cosmetics, paint, pharmaceuticals, and soap. The oil also has applications in the food industry, where it acts as a direct food additive or adjuvant. Note that there are two types of castor oils used for beauty purposes. That is the Jamaican black castor oil, which is dark brown in color, and the cold-pressed castor oil, which is clear in color. The Jamaican black castor oil is the most preferred choice during beauty treatments. Following are some of the main uses of castor oil. Number 1. It is a powerful laxative agent. Castor oil is used as a natural laxative, able to relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movement. It is classified as stimulative laxative, given its ability to increase muscle movement in the gut, thereby helping to push materials through the intestines. This action helps to clear the bowels, thus promoting better gut health. As such, the oil has been approved by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, as a stimulative laxative. Researchers have also demonstrated that castor oil can relieve constipation. For instance, researchers Arslan and Esa examined the effect of castor oil packs on constipation in the elderly. According to the results, individuals who received castor oil pack administrations reported decreased straining during defecation. They also reported feeling completely evacuated after bowel movement, which eased symptoms of constipation. Researchers have also shown that castor oil is an effective bowel cleansing agent in people who want to undergo non-invasive type of colonoscopy, also known as colon capsule endoscopy. Number 2. A natural moisturizer. Castor oil is comprised of a mono-unsaturated fatty acid known as ricinoleic acid. These types of fats can be used as skin moisturizers due to their ability to retain moisture. They do so by preventing loss of water by the outer layer of the skin. Castor oil also exhibits skin hydrating properties. This is why it is added to products such as cleansers, lotions, and makeup. Due to its thickness, the oil is mixed with other skin-friendly oils such as almond, coconut, and olive oil, to make an ultra-hydrating moisturizer. However, to some people, topical application of castor oil may trigger allergic reactions and/or irritations. Therefore, it is important to do a patch test to assess your skin's response to the application of castor oil. Number 3. Castor oil may promote healing of wounds. When castor oil is applied to a wound, it creates a moist environment that favors quick healing as well as preventing drying of sores. This property has made castor oil to be incorporated in the manufacture of Vinyl-X, a popular ointment used by clinicians to dress wounds. Vinyl-X is actually comprised of castor oil and Peru balsam. Application of castor oil to wounds also helps to reduce odors produced by the injured tissues. The oil may also help to reduce skin inflammation and pain in people with different kinds of wounds. Number 4. May help during cleaning and storage of dentures. Researchers have demonstrated that soaking contaminated acrylic teeth in a solution containing 10% castor oil for a duration of 20 minutes can help reduce the counts of oral fungi such as Candida albicans, and oral bacteria such as Streptococcus mutans and Staphylococcus aureus. In another study, scientists showed that a mouthwash containing castor oil can greatly improve the clinical signs of stomatitis, including inflammation, in people with denture-related stomatitis. Number 5. May promote hair growth and scalp health. Castor oil has been used by most people for natural hair treatment. This is due to the moisturizing property of the oil, which helps to lubricate the hair shaft. This increases the flexibility of the hairs while reducing chances of breakages. Anecdotal research indicates that some people also use castor oil for eyelash growth. Castor oil has also been used to eliminate dandruff. Most hair products used for treating dandruff contain castor oil. Number 6. Castor oil benefits for your skin. Castor oil contains antioxidants that help to fight free radicals responsible for causing aging of the skin, manifested by wrinkle formation. The oil also comprises antibacterial compounds that help to eliminate bacteria responsible for causing acne. Castor oil also exhibits anti-inflammatory property that helps reduce swelling and puffiness. The oil can thus be used to eliminate inflamed pimples or eye bags. The oil can also be used to soothe skin pain caused by sunburns. Castor oil is an important inclusion in many lipstick and lip gloss products. It is thus an effective agent in fighting dry lips. Castor oil side effects. Though considered safe by most people, ingesting castor oil can cause adverse reactions that may negatively impact one's health. Expectant women should avoid consuming castor oil at all stages because it may trigger contraction of the uterus. This is why medical professionals sometimes make use of the oil to induce labor in post-date pregnancies. Castor oil may be an effective remedy for constipation and related bowel problems. However, it may also cause side effects such as bloating, cramping, diarrhea, dizziness, and vomiting. The oil should therefore be used under medical supervision. Topical application of castor oil may trigger allergic reactions in some people. It is thus advisable to begin by applying a small amount in a tiny patch of your skin, that is, patch test, to assess how your body would react in case of wholesome topical application. Individuals with health conditions such as appendicitis, bowel perforation, gastrointestinal obstruction, and inflammatory bowel disease (IBD) should not use castor oil and other stimulative laxatives, as this may trigger serious repercussions. It is also important to avoid taking castor oil in case you are taking certain medications because it may interfere with their function. These medications may include diuretics, antibiotics, such as tetracycline, bone medicines, blood thinners, and heart medicines. When applying castor oil to your eyelashes, take care that it does not get into your eyes as it may cause irritation. Hope the information was helpful. To purchase genuine castor oil, click the links provided in the description section below. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video to help us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.